$50 evals, $50 evals, $50 evals. Well, $50 funded, $50 funded, $50 funded. That's right. FundingTicks has just launched the all new $50 eval, right? A 50K account for $50. The all-in cost, your activation, everything. You buy the eval, you pass the eval, you then get a payout, $50. I can't say it enough because, well, it's the truth. $50, $50, $50. We're gonna take a look here at FundingTicks as we get ready for power. Well, we are in the power hour here, but let's take a look here at what you guys can expect when you try to sign up for FundingTicks $50. All right, we have a couple of different options, right? You've got the one step, you've got the zero. The one step is what we're going to be using. So we got the one step. We're going to click on the FundingTicks Pro. They do have the one deal right now that you can pass in 1 day. That one's pretty cheap too. But the FundingTicks Pro, check this out. Check this out. You go there, you go to individual reward cap. Now, that's not your total, like for the entire amount of the account forever. That's just saying that per payout. So if you have 6 accounts, do the math. 6 accounts times 1,000, that's $6,000 per payout every 5 days. Oh, okay, now it gets better. Now it gets better. Now it gets better. So we go there, we put the 50K account, we select Tradeovate, we go up here, we put in the code PW, and we press apply. Apply. And look at this price, baby. Look at this price, $50.05. The 5 cents goes towards me. I know, right? Hey, help me help you. Help me help you, my friends. That's right. Help me help you. Okay, so we've got that figured out now. It's $50 to sign up. You get into it. You let it go. Let's see if we can make a little trade here as well as we celebrate the $50 Pro Plus, FundingTicks Pro Plus account. It's $1,000 drawdown. Well, not, wait, hold on a second. You can go back and do the whole rules. But at the end of the day, what do you got here? You got a 50K account. I think it's $3,000 for your profit target. You select, you use the code PW. It's $50 off, $50, make you holla. All right, let's see if we can make some money here in Power Hour. I'm going to try to make some money here, Power Hour. Anything's possible. I'm looking to basically get long here into the VWAP. The VWAP's down there at the 775. So I'm going to be just kind of looking to see if we can dip it on down here. I'm going to maybe take one little long right there. One little long and then try to add into this some more. Possibly. Just I don't want to miss out on anything crazy here. So we are long right now, looking for this move up. Will it get there? We're going to find out. We're going to find out right now. Ooh, okay. It's already pushing up. I like that. Sometimes you just get lucky in life. You just make a quick $500. Let's see if we can make quick $500. I like to see us push back up there above the 800s here. It is currently 3:30 in the afternoon. So if we break above the 92s, kind of see what happens from there. But like I said, kind of small size here, looking for some more pullback. The VWAP down there at the 776 is kind of what I'm really looking at. But the fact that we're kind of holding up here, I'm okay. I'm good. I feel good about it. Let's be good. I feel good. You feel good. We all feel good about it. We are a little bit below those EMAs, but we have the support here. Support. Kind of been bouncing there. This should kind of maybe dip, I think, yeah. Dip down here. Like into this area, right? That would be a good spot. The ES is right there at the VWAP right now as well. Everything else kind of holding up there. Just see if we get a little bounce here off of this 85s. Mm-hmm. 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 We're right there in the middle of the 15-minute range as well. So we're currently in the middle of the 15 opening range break or opening range, however you want to look at it, in the middle of that. So we're kind of just holding up here, looking to see if we're gonna get that higher low in this area, put in this higher low and try to target the high of day here, end of day. I'm not gonna hold this whole entire time, but like that would be kind of my game plan for these longs. But like I said, kind of get a little bit more pullback, maybe one more little dip down, a little bit more dip down here, Mike Jones style. Little dip down on it. Little dipping. The funding ticks, don't forget, $50. I mean, I've been trading for a long time. I remember when the prop firm accounts were like $800. You had to pay $800 and then sign up for an eval, and then you had to pass 2 steps, and you had to do all this crazy stuff to even get to the point where you could get a payout, right? You do all this crazy stuff, but look. Now it's only $50. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. The world is coming to a crazy place. What a crazy time to be alive. Right now, the Nasdaq just sitting there. Come on, let's go. Sometimes that's the best part about trading is you gotta just hold them. You gotta hold them before you can fold them. Watching here. I got my space glasses on today, boys. We're going to the moon. That's the only place I know where to survive. Just rambling, talking right now. Just trying to get a move here. This market has been bad all day. Hoping that in the last 45 minutes here, last 30 minutes, we can get a move. 15 minutes, whatever you want to call it. Last 15 minutes. Rest of the market's also just kind of holding up. Ooh, there we go. I like this. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trail this a little bit, right? I'm going to keep this, like I said, this could be that higher low. So now I'm going to put my stop to break even and see where this can go. If we can go all the way up there to the 803s, 805s, why not? Maybe higher, right? That'd be beautiful. And like I said, we've already got this, like, look at that, how that got defended there. We had the higher low getting defended. We did not get down there to the low of that candle. So that kind of tells me like, hey, this might be the spot, right? This might be the spot here, end of day, just to set it and forget it. Even maybe add into this. If we get above 800s, we looking good, looking strong, right? Why not? Why not, chat? Why not add? That'd be nice, right? Maybe add into a winner. Why add into a loser when you can add into a winner? That's right. $50. Use the code PW, 35% off always. The $50 deal with FundingTicks is only good for the Pro Plus 50K account. You got to select the little point where you want a $1,000 reward as well. So let's do it. Come on. I'm going to show you how the big boys trade today, boys. I'm showing you how the big boys do it. Everyone always says that Patrick never holds. He doesn't know how to hold. Well, you just get ready here. You just get on ready because I'm going to show you how we do it. Just like the big boys. Got my moon glasses on. We're going to the moon, and I'm ready for it. All right. Ooh, this is looking juicy. It might be too good to be true. Oh, Lord. Sometimes you get lucky in life, and I might be getting lucky right now, chat. I might be getting real lucky. I mean, realistically, where would be a target? I mean, fuck. Opening range high is the 16, 17 area. I don't hate that, right? I mean, I don't hate it. If you know what I mean, I definitely don't hate that. So, like I said, I would look to add into this, right? Why not? Let's try to add into it. Looking really good right now. Part of me would probably say to trail this some, but for the sake of you know, entertainment purposes, why not let it ride, I guess. What's the worst that could happen? I get stopped out for break even. That won't be too bad. That won't be too bad, you know what I mean? Gonna be an awkward video to make though if I don't hit my target. That's gonna be even more awkward. So yeah, no, that'd be bad, wouldn't it? But we're going to look to add here. We're going to look to add here in a second. So let's do that. Hopefully it doesn't pull all the way back down here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Talk about a wild ride here. You got to love it. That's going to be my ad right there. Stops are going to stay below 85s. We've added into this. We got 10 contracts now. Stop at the bottom of these candles. Well, damn. Damn, Junior. Really going to pull all the way back there, huh? That whole 5-minute candle just gave it all the way up. Pulled all... The 5-minute candle is a huge just rejection candle now. Oh, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love the Nasdaq. It's end of day, baby. Anything's possible. We're going to let it ride. As long as we got our stop there at the 86s, we're only risking 4 points at this point. You know, we're risking 4 points to make a lot of points. So I like the odds. The odds are in my favor, you know. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Well, you just look at it. Bum 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 bum. Ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Sometimes you just got to pull your phone out and just look at it. You just look at it instead of looking at the charts. Take your eyes off the charts sometimes, you know? Sometimes. All right, just sticking to the plan here, man. Oh, man, this market. What will happen end of day? Oh, say, can you see? It's going to be really annoying to get stopped out here, but it is what it is. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Waiting, watching, waiting, watching. Maybe I could add here again? Is that a crazy idea? It's kind of like maybe, but And the way this market's trading, anything's possible. Anything's possible right now. My Lord. My Lord. I think we might get an end of day ripper. If we can just if we get back above 800, this thing might rip end of day. I'm just putting it out there. I mean, it's a crazy idea. I know. It's a crazy idea, but it's kind of giving off those vibes. But I might be reading the room wrong. I might be reading the vibe wrong right now, but that's what I'm seeing. Okay. We got 5 minutes till the 350. 5 minutes. I mean, anything's possible. 5 minutes, boys. 5 minutes. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. One of those songs. Time just to walk away, honestly. Get gone. All right. Well, looking pretty good so far. This little push back up. We can get this ripper. Give me a ripper. Because anything can happen. Anything can happen. Play some music here, maybe. Oh, okay. Okay, look at that thing. Oh, there's like music on this. This is the craziest trade of my life. This song's too much. There we go. Speeding up here. I'm liking this movement, my friends. If we can get up there towards that 830 level, might be my target there. The ES is breaking out, almost making new highs. Very, very close to making new highs. The Nasdaq's holding up here. We're right there at the basically, 817 is the opening range high. Opening range high there at the 817. So I'm looking for this momentum to continue, and we can see how high we could possibly go here. 20s, 30s. I like it. I like 20s and 30s. What's crazy is we were trading this morning and the market was literally sitting there 20s and 30s. So it ain't a crazy idea. I mean, we're not even at the high of day yet. So the idea of just going to the high of day is not a crazy idea at all. God, I will. If this trade works out, I'm going to be the smartest man to ever do it. That's right. The smartest man, not just the man. I will be the man. Well, I'm already the man, but I'm going to be the man. You're like, whoa, man, this is crazy. Come on, chat. The high of day on the Nasdaq's 824. I'm gonna put a target there at 826s, right above that high of day, just in case here at 350 something crazy happens and we spike straight up. So little pullback here, another little bull flag before going higher. We got about a minute until the 350 algorithm kicks in here and we make a new high, unless the whole entire market just pulls back and ruins my absolute beautiful trade here. That's the best part, is we are literally in this trade, everything's great, and then all of a sudden it just crashes down and my whole entire life flashes before my eyes. Who's that? Oh, who's that? Who's that right there? What's she doing behind me? Trying to get in on the BDH. Who's that? What's this guy saying? Everyone's got something to say, right? Everyone's got something to say here. All right, well, 350 algorithm is about to kick in here. 30 seconds. This is about to be a make or break. Make or break. I guess we can move our stop like right below there at the 88s. I don't fucking know. God, why? Count it down with me, chat. Something's gonna happen here. Something's gonna happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Maybe. Well, it did pop up, did not make new highs though. Oh God. If we hold 800s and this candle closes bullish, like pushes back up here, if it flips back above 805, I'm looking to add. I'm going to add into this. Fuck it. Let's stick to the plan, right? I want to see this candle like put the body. See how that body's like right there? All right, see, we're trying to push here. We're trying to push. Let's get back above 805s, get like 806s a push, and then we're adding. Watching 806s right here. Watching 806s. We're not getting above 806. No reason to add yet. I want to add into strength, not into the weakness. So you can see we did not add there. This could be trouble here. We're back to the EMAs. Just could not get through the A10s. Wow. It's hard to do much here now. Just let it ride, I guess. Oh, why? You gotta love trading. Trading's so much fun, isn't it? Isn't that so much fun? I mean, I know everyone's gonna comment down below about how I should have just taken profit, blah, blah, blah. But at the same time, it's like, hey, sometimes you gotta hold. Sometimes you gotta hold. And well, today we held. Awesome. Well, we got a little, we got 5 minutes here or so till end of day. A little bit more than 5 minutes, but we'll see what happens. Just kind of let this trade play out. I still got my stop. I mean, we're only risking 4 points there still, so it sucks, but whatever. If we get back above 800s, I might look to add, but other than that, I'm just gonna let it be the way it is. Depending on how this candle looks here in a second, I might just move to break even. All right, I'm gonna move to break even. It's a free trade at this point, so let's just let it do its thing, I guess. Fucking A, this market today. Trading for the entertainment purposes. Trading for the entertainment purposes. Terrible. Don't do it, chat. Don't do it. Having trouble getting back above 800. Still, I mean, I'm not like totally against the idea of pushing up here end of day, but well, I mean, I'm long, so I would hope for it too, but I haven't given up all hope yet until the fat lady sings. She's about to sing though. She's gonna be singing here soon. If we get back above 800, I'm going to add. I'm watching the ES right now. ES is kind of climbing back up. ES is climbing back up, but the Nasdaq's been just kind of doing the opposite of the ES. When it's climbing, sometimes the Nasdaq's been dumping. So there's that little push. Let's just try it. Stops are basically a break even now still, so. And then I'll look to sell pretty much like up here and towards the 810 level if we can push. Put some orders out there just in case we get some stupid movements. All right. See, I knew this shit was coming. I knew it was gonna happen. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. God, how I just went from being about to commit suicide to doing that. I take it all right there at the 13s just to lock it in after that whole debacle there. I don't want to get stopped out in the red, that's for sure. We sized up into this trade as well, so let's see if we can't get filled there at the 13s just to lock it in. Come on. Wow. This market just cannot go anywhere today. I'm just gonna take it there at the 9s, I guess. Whatever. There it is. That was fun. Such a debacle to hold for that whole thing. But the key here is, you know, we kept holding the EMA. We were putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. I'm watching those higher lows and I'm like, okay, I gotta stay long here, right? I gotta stay long. The bulls are in control, but that's all they had. That's all they could do. I mean, honestly, I think I'm happy with the outcome here that we walked away in the green, but just one of those days, very range bound market. Right now, we've got the FundingTicks deal. It is $50, my friends, $50 to sign up for the FundingTicks Pro Plus account and to be able to get the big discount. Use the code PW. Check them out, fundingticks.com, link down below, all that fun stuff. I'll talk to you guys later on live YouTube every morning, 9 a.m. Tune in. Peace to the Middle East.